Long, long ago, in ancient times, there were no trains, there were no planes, there were no automobiles. Here on drawing practice video number 18 for drawing right and left, we will be looking at ancient history. Now, the book that this image came from is all written in German, and I am not a language expert. I do not know German, but the image is self-explanatory and can be found probably in one form or another in many different documentaries. I'm pretty sure it's Persia. You know, like maple Persian. I wonder if they invented that. But we'll be giving it our own little artistic interpretation. Now, come with me as we travel back in time. Okay, now we're back in time. And, like I mentioned at the beginning, there were no trains, planes, bicycles, unicycles. No, 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 no. One of the most valuable things you could have would be a... That's right. The most valuable thing you could have in ancient times would be a horse. Constant companion, reliable transportation. What more could you ask for from a horse? A horse is a horse, of course, of course. And we've got two here, both of them running away. And both of their riders are off of them, one kneeling down and looking up, and the other one off to the left with their arm kind of wrapped around. Maybe a bit of an action shot or like a bracing for impact. Now, we should talk about the elephant in the room. Where we come from, we don't use horses, we use elephants. But that probably would be terrifying if you'd never seen an elephant before. And all the guys in the back are kinda riding around in a big toilet paper tube. Or like a paper towel tube. Yeah, it's kind of what it reminds me of. But I've never drawn an action shot like that before. And we've been going left for a while. I might try going right in the next video. Maybe in a little while I'll try going back to right and left. And I feel like for that I would need to do an original from imagination, because it would just be too difficult to keep looking away and looking at a reference image while using both hands. But yeah, this is definitely the most ambitious drawing practice I think that I've ever done. with all the characters in the foreground and the background. I definitely wouldn't have attempted anything like that even like a few weeks ago. But that's all for now for the Great Elephant Incident for drawing right and left.